Hi friends, I have a book here by Mo Willems. It's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Achoo! Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! Sneezing. Oh no. Poor piggy. What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. Poor piggy. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. And they're best friends. What are they going to do? Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald! No, do not speak. It's too late. Gerald! Goodbye. Goodbye. Huh? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Choo! Right now, cats make me sneeze too. Oh, thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Uh-oh, I think he gave it to Piggy. The end. The end papers, look at that. Piggy's sick too. Ah, what a good book. What do you think? Private thumbs up if you liked it, or a private heart. Have a great day and keep reading.